Hi children, welcome to our next session, Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Right children, have you enjoyed the lesson? Yes, it is very nice lesson, very funny lesson for you. Right children, now up to know what happened? Yes, the king rewarded the famous painter Chitravarma with, yes children, chief advisor of the king. So from that, Tenali Ramakrishna directly opposed this. What king, what you are doing? He is a famous painter, but not great administrator, once you think. But king got angry. What you know, Ramakrishna? I am the king of Vijayanagara. How do you know? You should not say anything opposite to me. You have to accept, you have to obey, that's all. Immediately he made announcement with the help of minister. What happened? So how the administration becomes after the Chitravarma becomes the chief advisor of the king. What happens? Let us see children. So open your textbooks and go through this up to here in the third page. Right children? Third page we are. So from this onwards we are going to start. Okay children, ready? Yes. But Chitravarma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. He had never handled the matters of court before. His decisions were irrelevant. His conclusions lacked sense. With this, the people grew impatient. Yet the emperor continued to support him. The elders of the empire decided to seek help from the court's jester Tenali Ramakrishna in this matter. Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. One day, Tenali Ramakrishna approached the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. So this is a long passage. What happens after the recruitment of Chitravarma as the chief advisor to the king? Once again children, you have to observe the words carefully and you have to learn the pronunciation carefully. But Chitravarma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. Whatever the Chitravarma planned. For example, king had to go to some place. What the arrangements will be going on there. So he planned different way, but nobody accepts it. No sir, it is not good at all. It is not tasty, sir. And there is no privacy for the king, sir. So number of arguments are coming. Whatever he take the plans here. Varma's plans and actions, whatever the actions he performed there, they are not successful, they are utter failure. Confused everywhere. Confused everywhere. Today night he will take one decision and tomorrow morning the decision will be changed. So in this way everybody confused. What Chitravarma did. They couldn't understand the strategy of Chitravarma. Chitravarma knows only painting a picture, not the administration children. So that is here mentioned. Now let us see next. He had never handled the matters of court before. Why everybody confused there? Yes, exactly. He didn't manage the matters related to court earlier. In his previous life, he didn't have any experience related to court issues. How the court is going to be begin, how the court is going on for the actions. When it concluded, he didn't have any idea regarding to court matters. That's why whatever his decisions are all confused, dazzled. Right? Now He had never handled. Handled means here managed. Handled means here managed. Faced, we can write faced, F-A-C-E-D, faced. The matters, matters means here issues. Matters means issues, children. Issues of court before. Before means here earlier in his previous life. Earlier. His decisions were irrelevant. Irrelevant means here making somewhat irritation. Making a little bit irritation to the people. Relevant means yes, connected to. Irrelevant means not connected. When it is not connected, automatically what do? Having irritation. What this decision will be? Who told this one? Like this. So irrelevant means here irritation. A little bit irritation. His conclusions lacked sense. Lacked means here lacked sense. Having no knowledge. Having no knowledge. Having no knowledge becomes here lacked sense. There is no sense. There is no cleverness in taking decisions. Lack means nothing. Lack means here lack of money. Yes, lack of money. Lack of knowledge. Nothing. Not having knowledge. So right children, lack, L-A-C-K. Lack means not money. L-A-K-H is money. Lack. Isn't it children? So be careful. L-A-C-K. Lacked sense. Lacked sense means here having no knowledge. With this, people grew. With this, whatever Chitravarma did, with this, people grew impatient. People grew here impatient. Not having good respect. It is also a little bit irritation. So these bold words you may see in your glossary. I will show you. So you observe. This is the glossary. By the end of the lesson you will find children. So the bold letters whatever they have given in the text you will get. So here advisor, snapped, unique, grateful, your majesty, irrelevant, impatient. So assured, whatever they have given in bold letters, it will be given here. So I will show this thing. Whenever you get the doubt, come to this and go to this. Right children? Now, they become here very impatient. Patient means here having a little bit patience is called patient. But impatient means irritating. Having much eager. Having much eager. What may happen? What may happen? But nothing will happen here. Now, the emperor continued to support Chitravarma. Though the emperor continued to support him. Him means here nothing but who is that him? Yes, Chitravarma. Chitravarma. He supports Chitravarma. Empire means, emperor means here the king Sri Krishna Devaraya encouraged always Chitravarma. Okay, take it easy. Next time you perform better. Next time you have chance. In this way, he encouraged the elders of the empire. Empire means kingdom. In the kingdom, in the court, the elders are there. Decided to seek help from the court's jester Tenali Ramakrishna in this matter. So the elders in the court, they vexed with the decisions of Chitravarma. Whatever he said, he never followed. So last hour he said something and next hour it will be changed. Because he didn't have good administrative skills. So that's why everybody vexed with Chitravarma's decisions and plans. So that's why they need some help from whom? The jester. Jester means, yes children, jester means, who is jester? Yes? Here you have jester. Jester means comedian, a witty person. A witty person. A witty person is called here jester. Very highly knowledgeable person. And he goes through with the comedian activities, humorous activities. Yes, children? That's why Tenali Ramakrishna, who is that jester in the court, Tenali Ramakrishna, in this matter means in this issue. What is the issue? Chitravarma's decisions and actions were almost dazzled. They were not at all good according to anybody in the court. Nobody accepts it. So, Tenali Ramakrishna told them, the elders, them means here elders, that he had an idea. Who had? Ramakrishna had an idea and assured. Assured means here promised. You have in your glossary, children, go through once. Promised. Give you a word. Them not to worry. Oh my dear people, you should not worry. I am here. So don't worry about it. I will do something. There is no problem at all. Okay, dears? Yes, let us see what happened. Now, next here, one day, Tenali Ramakrishna approached the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. Directly, Tenali Ramakrishna reached Sri Krishna Devaraya to say something. What? Let us see in the next paragraph, children. Do you understand now, children? Yes, exactly. How foolish the idea to make a great painter as the chief advisor to the king. Isn't it, children? Don't you think like this? Yes, exactly. So, we have to test a person whether he is fit to the job or not. So, directly we never announce him as you are the best. It is a foolish idea. According to whom? Ramakrishna. That's why Ramakrishna met the king in his court one day. So what he said? Your Majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's naming ceremony tomorrow. So what is the idea? This was the idea according to Tenali Ramakrishna. So let us see the idea, whether it is applied or not. Once again. Your Majesty, O King, you know that. You means here king. You means here nothing but king. You know that. King. Know that I have been blessed with. I means here Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna. Have been blessed with a baby boy. Actually, children, baby means it is a common gender. It is used for girl or also boy. So whenever you mention baby boy, that related to masculine. Baby girl, that related to female. Right, children? Don't be confused. Baby means always a female gender. It is not at all correct. Baby means a common gender which can be used for male or female. Baby girl, baby boy. Right, children? Yeah. So who got son here? Tenali Ramakrishna got a son. So what happened? I will be happy. I am very, 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 very happy, Your Majesty, if you visit my house for my boy's naming ceremony. Naming ceremony means, you know very well. We called it Namakaranamu in Telugu, in our mother tongue. Yes, children? Yes, exactly. Naming ceremony. Naming ceremony means Namakaranamu. So, Tenali Ramakrishna is going to celebrate his son's naming ceremony next day. That's why he requested the king, yes, you have to come, king. Your presence is needed there. Please accept my proposal. Yes, what happened? Sri Krishna Devaraya. Oh, wonderful. It's my pleasure, Ramakrishna. Okay, very good, Ramakrishna. I will come because Sri Krishna Devaraya loves very much all his people. That's why he said, yes, I will come. It's my pleasure. I will come there. I will bless your child. Thank you for your invitation. The emperor visited Ramakrishna's house the next day. Tomorrow, he came to Ramakrishna's house with all the people, courtiers. Ramakrishna, with your bouquet. Here, observe children, bouquet spelling, bouquet. Here, T is silent. T is silent. Bouquet. Bouquet means a bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers is called bouquet. So, whenever you invite a guest onto the dais, what do, children? On the occasion of August 15th, on your school day occasion, what will we do? Yes, we will give a bouquet to the chief guest to invite him with pleasure. Welcome, sir. Have a nice gift. Have a nice gift. We will present it. In the same way, with a bouquet of flowers in his hands he has, welcome your majesty. Welcome your majesty. We are grateful for your visit. We are very thankful because king has many works, but you kept all aside and came to our house now. Thank you very much. Grateful for your visit. Please bless my son. This is my son. Please bless him. Sri Krishna Devaraya. Dirghayushman Bhava. Dirghayushman Bhava. This is a token of my love. The emperor puts a gold chain around the baby's neck. He took a gold chain and put around the baby's neck. What is meant by Dirgha Ayushman Bhava? Yes, Dirgha Ayushman Bhava. It is a blessing in Hindu mythology. Have a nice life throughout your life. So it is blessing. Whenever you go to temple, the priest may bless you. Dirgha Ayushman Bhava. My dear child, Dirghayushman Bhava, by putting one Setagopuram or something and blessed us. Isn't it, children? The same word here, because Sri Krishna Devaraya belongs to Telugu language only, na? Yes, Telugu Desha Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa. Told by Sri Krishna Devaraya itself. That's why he mentioned Dirghayushman Bhava. It's a Telugu word. This is a token of my love. What is the token of my love? A gold chain. A gold chain. Took the gold chain and put around the neck of the child. Around the baby's neck. So, up to this, we complete the paragraph by the end of this page. And let us see the question and answers based on this paragraph, children. Are you ready? Yes, children. Yes. You are always ready. I know how enthusiastic you are. You are eagerly waiting. What happened? What happened? What happened? Next. Yes, I know it. So, keep your notebook beside you and let us see the question answers one by one, children. Yes, let us see now. Be ready to see the questions. Yes, children. First question. Madam, how are Chitravarma's plans and actions? How are they? In the first line you have. How are they? They didn't have sense. They are not at all proper. Everything is gabbling like this. So that's why. So let us see. Chitravarma's plans and actions were irrelevant and lacked sense. There is no sense. I kept the same textual words, children, because you are getting from primary to higher section now. That's why you are unable to cope up with your own words. That's why I keep the same words from textbook to the answers. Otherwise, you may write your own answer also, which will be different, right? How did people react to the actions of Chitravarma? How did they react? Yes. What did they grew? Yes. They grew impatient. They couldn't bear that one, whatever Chitravarma did in the court. Yes, children? Let us see. So, people grew impatient. People grew impatient with the ideas of Chitravarma in this context. Right, children? Next one. What did the elders of the empire decide? What did they decide, elders in the court? Yes, they need some help from whom? Ramakrishna, to clear this matter. To clear this matter, they want some different decision. Let us see. The elders of the empire decided to seek help from Ramakrishna, Tenali Ramakrishna, to clear this matter. Right, children? Next one. Who was the court's jester in the passage, according to the passage? Who was it? Yes, Tenali Ramakrishna. Very good. Tenali Ramakrishna was the court's jester. Right, children? Do you understand? Yes. Let us see next. What did the empire do? What did the empire do? Whatever the Chitravarma does, for that reaction from the empire. Yes, emperor? Yes. The empire continued to support Chitravarma. Yes. They supported Sri Krishnadevaraya, supported Chitravarma continuously. Next. What does the jester mean? Jester mean what? Yes, I wrote a witty person, a humorous person, a clever person. Yes. If you see in the dictionary, children, you may find fool, buffoon, clown. They are not. They are not to our Tenali Ramakrishna. He is not a fool. He is not a buffoon. He is not a clown. He is talented person. Remember that. So, jester means a witty person. Jester means here a witty person. Now, children, what did Ramakrishna approach? Why did Ramakrishna approach Krishnadevaraya? What was the reason for his approach? Yes, children, exactly. To invite the king for his son's naming ceremony. Yes, Ramakrishna approached Krishnadevaraya to invite him to his boy's naming ceremony. Next one. Who had been blessed with a baby boy? Yes, who got a son? Yes, children. King, Chitravarma, Tenali Ramakrishna. Who are they? I have given three options. Yes, Tenali Ramakrishna. So, Ramakrishna had been blessed with a baby boy. Baby boy means instead of that you can write a son. That is also correct. A son. Right, children? Next. What was the ceremony mentioned in the passage? Ceremony? What is that? Yeah, exactly. In Telugu we called Namakarnam, but in English, the naming ceremony. The ceremony mentioned in the passage was a naming ceremony. Next step. Who visited Ramakrishna's house? Yes, who is it? Chitravarma, king, or Ramakrishna himself? Yes, children? Exactly. Yes, King Sri Krishnadevaraya. So the king Krishnadevaraya visited Ramakrishna's house. Right, children? Next one. How did Ramakrishna welcome the king, how did he welcome? Yes, with a bouquet of flowers. With a bouquet of flowers, he invited the king. Very good, children. Ramakrishna welcomed the king with a bouquet of flowers in his hands. In his hands. The same textual sentence, children. Be careful. Next one. What did the emperor present to the child? What did he present? The king present. Yes, children. What did he present? A gold chain around the neck of the baby. Around the neck of the baby boy. Yes, children. Very nice answer. The emperor presented a gold chain around the baby's neck. Baby's neck. So, these are the question and answers, children. So, by this, we have completed almost the lesson. In our next session, we will finish the full length lesson completed. Right, children? How do you feel now? Yes? Very enjoying the session, isn't it? Yes, exactly. When you are active, it is very enjoyable lesson. English is nothing but enjoyable language. Whatever you learn, you have to apply in your daily. Automatically, you enjoy the pleasure of English language. Right, children? So, now I will end up this session. We will meet in our next session, children. Thank you.